In this video, I want to show you how to mosaic satellite raster image in Global Mapper. Essentially, to mosaic satellite images is a process of merging adjacent multiple images into a single image. And secondly, I want to make it clear that in Global Mapper, there is no dedicated tool to carry out mosaicing. However, there is a way of mosaicing your images in Global Mapper. So in this video, I will demonstrate it for you to see that you can actually mosaic satellite images efficiently and accurately in Global Mapper. Let's get started. So to start, let's bring in our images by clicking on Open Data Files. So I will navigate to my working folder. Here them. So I have about 6 digital elevation model. So I will select all and click on Open. Click Yes to all. Yes, I have this 6 digital elevation model. So this elevation model, they are tiles. That is, they are individual image. So, and I want to combine everything together to form a single image without seeing traces of boundaries between them. So to do that in Global Mapper, you can just come to any of the layer, right click it and come to layer. Then here you will see export layers to new file. Click on it. When this page opens, you are to check all by clicking on check all. That is, since our objective is to mosaic all these images into a single image, therefore we will select all the layers, that is all the images. Then click on OK. Then here choose the format. So you can click on the drop down and select GeoTIFF. So the format I want to use is GeoTIFF. Then click on OK. Click OK. It will open this GeoTIFF export option. Under GeoTIFF export option, make sure you select this 16-bit integer sample. Then come under tiling. Make sure you select no tiling. That is, you just want a single export. So in that case, we will select no tiling. Then come to export bounds. Under this option, we are selecting all the loaded data because we want to mosaic all the images. So make sure you select all loaded data. Then click on OK. This will prompt you to specify where you want to save your results. So in this case, I want to save it here. I can just give it mosaic as a name. Then click on save. Immediately you do that, it will start the exporting process. So in this process, it will combine all these images together into a single image, that is mosaicing, and it may take just few seconds to about a minute depending on the numbers of images you are trying to mosaic. Yes, it is done. It has been mosaic. Now let's bring it in to visualize it. Come to File and click on Open Data File. Navigate to that folder and this is it, mosaic. Select it and click on Open. Yes, it has been loaded. Let me uncheck others. If I uncheck others, you can see this is our mosaic, the result of our mosaicing process. You can see that it has combined all the images into a single image without traces of boundaries. So you can see it. Initially, we have these multiple images. Then we mosaic it by combining all these images together to form this single image. So there is no dedicated tool in Global Mapper to mosaic. However, using these options in Global Mapper, you can mosaic your images. Please, if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel and join our membership for dedicated videos. Thank you for watching.